Today we will be reviewing the Dreampark 2x2 Megaminx. It comes in this box, and it ranks the 2x2 Megaminx as 6-star difficulty. I don't know why, because I can solve it pretty easily. But let's get it out of the box. And it should look like this. It has 12 faces: white, purple, yellow, red, green, blue, and the opposites gray, sky blue, orange, light green, pink, cream. Each face has 5 sides, and there are no edges or defined centers. This is what makes it a 2x2. So it's relatively easy to twist around. And after you've screwed it up enough, you can go and test yourself and try to solve it. It rates itself as 6 stars, but I find it way easier than that. And it's extremely easy to solve it, actually. To solve the 2x2 Megaminx, of course, it's kind of like a normal Rubik's Cube. You would just solve a side and just go up from there, or even, if you're advanced enough, make your own method. And you always want to pay attention to the other sides of it so that you don't solve a side, but say these two aren't the same color, then you just did that wrong. But you continue and learn more about it, and you'll eventually solve it. And yeah, this is the Dreampark 2x2 Megaminx.